Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need at least one working master key before attempting remote programming for a 2016 Toyota 4runner. If you only have a non-functional key shell, stop and contact a dealer. Gather the new key fob, the working key, and make sure all doors and the rear hatch are closed. Allow roughly 10 minutes and confirm the vehicle battery reads above 12.0 volts. Programming will fail if the battery is low. Keep all remotes you want programmed on hand so you can register them in one session. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed, insert and remove the working key twice within 5 seconds to wake the vehicle electronics. Close and open the driver door twice, then insert the key and turn the ignition to on, then back to lock 2 times. This sequence places many Toyotas into remote registration mode. You should hear a door lock cycle or chime within 10 seconds. After that sound, press the lock or unlock button on the new fob within 40 seconds to register it. Repeat once you have pressed the fob buttons and heard confirmation locks. Test both lock and unlock on each remote from about 3 meters away, and confirm the rear hatch release and panic function if the fob includes them. If a remote fails, repeat the full registration sequence for all remotes in the same session, because the vehicle stores remotes as a set. If programming still fails after 2 attempts, consult a dealer or automotive locksmith. Dealer diagnostic tools can program transponder chip and smart key systems that in-cabin step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.